Hey, what's up, guys? Six alerts, three trades. One on Dell short, one on IOVA short, other one was on Cake short. So let's go to Dell. Dell was a straightforward trade. It quickly spiked to yearly pivot. I normally will have open order sitting at these levels, but since I came in late today, I was not aware of this moving pre-market. So when the scanner alerted that it's close to a yearly pivot, I took a trade. I got an entry at 67.20, 67.25. Covered half my position right at 66.65 or 66. Okay, and thought of covering the remaining position at 5-minute 20 at VWAP, and the remaining on at 5-minute 20. So half I covered at 66, 68, and was hoping for a VWAP wash. Didn't happen. So it decided to base at 66, 69 level, tried to push higher. So my stop on this was right at my entry level. So I jumped out at 67.25. It ended up making a tiny push higher and flushing right afterwards. Disappointing trade on the remaining position, but this is how it works. Sometimes you get it right away, sometimes you need to have a little bit more patience. In this case, Dell is another. The problem with Dell, particularly for me, is I always had issues with Dell. I always end up taking losses. So it is very close to my it is very close to be in my do not trade list. So it's always back of my head that I will probably end up taking a loss on this. Even though there is a good setup, I'll probably end up taking a loss on this. It played with me and I stopped out right when I should be, I should have some patience and let it work out. Anyways, moving on, another trade was IOVA. IOVA was another straightforward trade. The reason for that, we had a pretty good stack up of pivots. Not only that, the daily level, like it had issues passing through this 3170 level, 32 and 3170 level. So if you see this, like if you put a trend line there, if you put a horizontal line there, hold on. Right at the 32 level, you see that it had issues passing through from starting from July on. It had issues passing through that level. Yeah, that was the thesis behind this trade. So I started off at 3165, added at 3195. So I think I had around 3180 average. Covered most of it. I covered half position at 3102, just above this VWAP. Then allowed it to go a little bit further, just covered some more at 3083, just above this candle here. Okay, then I thought, let me allow this to go on. Should probably be covering it at around 5-minute 20. So it ended up pulling back up based on the VWAP. Then I gave it a little bit of time. When it cleared this stop here, right at this candle, I stopped out. So I think I stopped out around 31.35. The next one was Cake. I alerted in the room saying that Cake was getting to a stack up, but it is moving slowly. This is what I meant. Like if you see the small candles, green candles, it was kind of moving slowly. Even on 1 minute, it looked like a grind up. The stack ups are kind of always makes me feel there is a good trade in it. Not only that, this particular move did not have any pullbacks to any levels here. So I thought, okay, let me try it out. I'll probably have a tight stop on it. So I think I started some at 3066 and had an add at 3085. ended up having around 30 75 average. Stopped right above this candle here. So my stop was 30.97. Plan was clear. I will not give this too much of a wiggle room, based on how slowly it is going higher. So I sticked on with my plan. I jumped out for a small loss. All right, that's my trade for today. Do let me know if you have any questions. Have a good one. Thank you.